One thing that everyone has hoped and prayed for all through 2020 is a vaccine. Now, usually vaccines take about 10 to 15 years to develop, but the collective might of science has ensured that we have one ready in 11 short months. The journey of the COVID vaccine has been a fascinating one, a reassuring triumph in a year where almost everything went wrong.
A historic day for 90-year-old Margaret Keenan, the first person to get the coronavirus vaccine outside Russia. From news of the outbreak in December 2019 to the rollout, it's taken just a year, unprecedented in the history of medicine. It normally takes 10 to 15 years to develop a vaccine, 5 years just to reach the testing stage. But COVID-19 is no ordinary virus. So the vaccine chase was extraordinary as well.
The vaccines of the past had taken several years, 10 or 15 years to develop. The fastest vaccine that we have now is the mumps vaccine, which got out in about 4 years' time. The COVID vaccine was out in less than a year.
The first vaccine registered for emergency use was Russia's Sputnik V. But the regulatory approval came even before large-scale clinical trials, drawing warnings from scientists. Over 100,000 got the shot in a mass inoculation program. Russia claimed the vaccine is 91% effective and gives 2 years of immunity. India has struck a deal, a tie-up with Dr. Reddy's labs to carry out the trials, and a deal with Hetero Drugs to manufacture 100 million doses. Phase 3 trials are currently underway. But the winner in the West was the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine. The first to complete trials and receive emergency use approval in the UK, not its country of origin. It has been cleared for use in the US, Canada, Bahrain and several other countries and claims 95% efficacy.
This vaccine is effective. The MHRA have approved it as clinically safe and we have a vaccine, so it's very good news.
This is the first mRNA vaccine, which uses a tiny fragment of the virus's genetic code ever to get an approval.
These messenger RNAs take the encrypted genetic material as the message and they deliver inside the cells. And inside the cells, this genetic material instructs the ribosomes to make something called proteins. And these proteins, which are similar to the proteins expressed on the virus, will then start the entire immune response in the body.
The reaction in India was subdued. The vaccine is exorbitantly priced and needs to be stored at minus 70 degrees. But Pfizer moved swiftly to ask for emergency authorization. India is also developing a vaccine on the mRNA platform, but one more suited to its needs. Genova Biopharmaceuticals in Pune has developed India's first mRNA vaccine and has been approved to start human trials.
The Drugs Controller General of India has granted clearance for clinical trials for one more candidate vaccine from India. Genova company ने DBT की मदद से, this is a truly again an Indian vaccine. Unlike Pfizer vaccine or some others, this vaccine, if it comes into existence, will be maintainable at normal cold chain conditions in a normal fridge.
Moderna is the other frontrunner, easier to store than Pfizer's with roughly the same efficacy. The frontrunner vaccines in India are the indigenously developed Covaxin from Bharat Biotech and Covishield developed by the Serum Institute of India in a tie-up with AstraZeneca and Oxford University. The AstraZeneca vaccine is yet to get a green signal in the UK. It claims 70% efficacy, is easy to store, but there have been questions over its trial data. India is getting its vaccine delivery systems in place with a meticulously planned blueprint.
मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स के लिए ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल तैयार हो गए हैं, वैक्सीनेटर्स जो हैं उनके लिए ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल तैयार हो गए हैं, उनके जो वैकल्पिक वैक्सीनेटर्स होंगे उनके भी तैयार हो गए हैं, कोल्ड चेन हैंडलर्स, सुपरवाइजर्स, डाटा मैनेजर्स, आशा कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, इन सब के ट्रेनिंग मॉड्यूल तैयार हो गए हैं.
Globally, the pandemic rages on in different parts of the world. China, where the virus first originated, has developed at least 3 vaccines against COVID-19. Asia, Europe, the US all have developed vaccines, doses of which continue to be rolled out in different parts of the world. But life is going to be far from normal in the year 2021. A large chunk of the population, global population, will be getting vaccinated against COVID-19 in the year 2021. The year 2020 was the year when the virus was chasing us. The year 2021 is going to be the year of us chasing the virus. In New Delhi with video journalists Narayan and Salman, Sneha Mordani for CNN News 18.